Welcome back. Today I have got you another top 10 amazing apps, and I think they are very useful for your daily usage and you may need them for your phone. Now let's get straight into the first one. Here is the first app, and I think it is very useful. So it allows you to try on a shoe for your feet. So you can choose different shoes from here. And in order to get this to work, you need to scan your feet first. I put another video right here so you can see it. You can see how it works, and then you can see a lot of shoes here. So you can try on for your feet. And after that, if you decide to buy it, you just click on it. You can see the buy button here, so you can click on it. And it will bring you to the website so you can purchase the shoe, and it is very awesome. You can see the shoe in reality in AR mode. Let's go to the next one. This is also an AR app as well, so it allows you to see the photo in reality. So you just place your photo, or you can place your wallpaper so you can see whether it looks good in your room or which place. So you can test it using this app, and you just click on this button, and then you can choose the wallpaper that you want to. Let's say you want to hang it on the wall in your room, and then you can just try it in AR. So you can select this. Let's say I want to select the photo, and you can see we have different frame for the photo. So you can choose which one that you like and which one look good for you. Let's say I want to select this one, and then I can view it in the room. You can see an example from the video that I put here. So this space is very small, so I cannot show you. So I put another video on here. You can see how it works here. So you need to scan before you put the photo in reality. Scanner Pro allows you to take a photo and then convert it into the document, and you can print it and as a PDF file. So all you have to do, click on plus button. After that, it will bring up the camera, and you can take a photo and convert it into the document. So on the top we have black and white, so you can see the photo in black and white, or you can just set the color. So we have color photo, or we have color document. So you can pick the one that you think is working perfectly for you. But for me, I'm gonna use black and white, so the letter is much clearer. You can see here. So now I can take a photo, and then it will capture that, and then you can crop. So you can crop it, and then you can save, and you can see it from here. So you can click on it, and then you can click on share. So you can share it as a PDF file, and then or you can print from here. BokehCam allows you to create a blur effect. Especially you can create a blur effect just like the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 11, where you can take a portrait mode. But with your older iPhone, you cannot take a portrait mode. For example, if you are on iPhone 6 or iPhone 5s, you can use this app, and then you can create a blur effect, and you can focus only one object, especially for people. But I'm gonna set it on this photo, so let's select this one. You can see this button, you can click on it. But if you have a photo with your face, it will automatically detect your face and blur the background. But for my photo, it doesn't detect because it is a normal photo. It isn't a human. So I just click on start, and as you can see, the photo is completely blurred, and I can just clear it, and I want this area to be clear. Or you can add more blur as well if you want. And then you can click on check, and you can click on share, and then you can save it into your photo gallery. This is an awesome browser, and I think compared to Safari, this one is much better. So now let's start from the bottom. So we have plus, which you can go to new page, and you can see here. And then the next one, you can see all tab that you have open. And for another one, you can see the moon icon here, so which is you can go to dark mode. So when you click on it, it will go to dark mode, and when you click on it again, it will go to light mode. So it is very awesome. And you have setting icon here, so which you can access to all setting here, so you can adjust setting that fit you. And the good thing about this app, it allows you to customize the color for the bar and some button as well. So you can go to customize color, and you can see here. So you can select the color that you like, and then you can just go back and you can select the color here. So for button and for the background, and then you can go all the way back, and we have search engine as well, so you can select engine that you like. So for default it will go to Google, or you can search from Yahoo or Bing, it is depend on you. And then you can see here a lot of feature, and we have font size as well, and it is very awesome. And for dark mode, it does support on the page as well. So if you click on dark mode, it will completely turn the page into dark mode as well. It is very awesome. Date and time allow you to add all information about date, so you can add it into your widgets. So you can go to your widget, and then you can click on edit. You're gonna find date and time right here, so click on plus button, and now you can click on done. You can see full detail from date and time right here, or you can just force touch on the app, it does so as well. You can see here. CamFind is also an awesome AR app, so it allows you to take a photo and then it will automatically search that object that you place in front of the camera, and then you can capture it. So for example, I want to search this object, I just place in front of the camera, and then I just take a photo, and then it will automatically search that photo. You can see it is recognized. For this app, not all objects will be recognized by this app. Some object it doesn't work, but mostly it does work for me. And then you can see here, so we can see the video, and sometimes it doesn't accurate, but it is good to try this app. It is very awesome. Photo eraser, it allows you to erase some object from the photo. So now let's get started. I just click on this button, and now we can select the photo. Let's say I want to select this one, and then I can click on done, and we can see here, so we have intelligent mode, so where you can drag like this, and then it will remove the object. You can see here, or you can reverse it. So I'm gonna reverse it, and we can try for advanced modes. So advanced mode allow you to manually draw on it to remove an object. You can see here, but for me intelligent is much better. I can drag here, and then we can remove the object completely. You can see it is very good and details. And after we have finished, we just click on this button, and then we can save an image into the photo. Magnifier allow you to see the small letter much better using your phone, so you can just zoom, and then you can see the letter much better. And on the left side you can change the effect. So some effect is much better for me. You can see the letter is much clearer, so you have different effect that you can select. And right here you can see, so we have invert, and then you can just pause it, and you can see which word is it. So it is much better for those of you that have problem with eyes, especially when you read the book at night. And then you can continue it. You can see here. Last but not least, let's go to this one. So it allows you to create an ID photo. So with the photo that you have, so it just gives you a blue background, a white background, and so on. So you just click on this plus button, and you can pick an image from the photo, and then I can select from here. So I can select my photo. Let's select this one. You can see we have beautify option, so it allows you to remove some like acne from the photo. So if you disable this one, you can see the differences here. So I'm gonna enable it, and then click on check button, and now we can go to the background. You can see the background is removed and turned to white, so it is automatically remove the background. And if it doesn't work very well, you can see we have some background left here, so you can manually remove it by click on fine tuning here. So you can just remove it. You can see here, so it is much better. And here we go, and then you can click on check. Now the background is removed, so we can also select different background as well. However, for me, white is work best, so I'm gonna check this one, and then I can click on check mark, and we can check on it. And then finally we can save to the photo gallery. You can see here. So finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like all of these apps, and then I will catch you guys in the next one.